Well, hello, and welcome to ZNtv, the only independent television station operating in Zululand. If you haven't heard of us, that's not surprising because we've only started broadcasting in 2017, so we're still very new. We're going to be concentrating, initially at least, on the area around Eshowe, the old colonial capital of Zululand, and still one of the hidden gems of South African tourism. If you don't believe me, try and get hold of a summer edition of Platteland magazine, in which you'll find an 11-page story by a photojournalist Willem van der Berg, which covers everything from the town's amazing 18-hole Bob Grimsdale designed golf course through to the Glinzer Forest Boardwalk, where you can get a bird's eye view of the forest canopy. In the months to come, we're going to be concentrating on the extraordinary people and activities that take place in the area around Eshowe. From potters to restaurateurs, from butterflies to museums, and from forests to sugarcane and citrus trees. But right now, we're going to join senior reporter Graham Channels for a look back at the 2016 end-of-year Eshowe Art Fair, organised by the indefatigable Elsie Moscow and her Eshowe Arts Committee. Enjoy it, and we'll see you next week.
The 2016 edition of the annual Eshowe Art Exhibition was held recently at the town's iconic George Hotel, preceded by a sumptuous cocktail party. Organising Committee Chairperson Elsie Moscow welcomed the large crowd that attended.
The whole thing is that we've got a lot of retired artists and people that is so creative in this town, and we decided to get everybody together and they can start creating and painting and whatever whether it is a basket, a painting, a sculpture, they can do that, and all the money that we then raise, 10% of all the sales we then either give to the old age home or SPCA or to some charity.
Among the exhibits were clay sculptures by Paddy Ntuli. He was unable to attend the opening, but other artists were on hand to talk about their work.
What I've done here at the show is mount oil on canvas. So what I've been concentrating on is our life around Eshowe. So I've been painting for a number of years, but only moved up to Eshowe about 10 years ago, and that's when I got interested in doing landscapes. So it's a long process. Landscapes don't happen overnight. You have to work at it.
Vicky is a retired locomotive standing at the station of Uppington.
This is an experiment. It's oil with turpentine to get the different colour mix. I tried it for the first time and it worked.
Since I got married about 10 years ago, I was now able to stay at home and do art, and I really love it, and I actually find that since I've been painting more, I've been able to develop the art and the technique and everything. It's just, and I've also narrowed down subjects.